Oi galera, estou com mais um vídeo aqui no canal e o vídeo de hoje eu vou mostrar sobre o setup dos youtubers muito famosos, parte 1. Um youtuber maninho nice, mano, um youtuber que mostra um setup e você se inspira. Hoje quero mostrar esses caras que me inspiraram em fazer este canal aqui, para lançar tantos vídeos assim sobre o setup. Sem mais delongas, vamos para o vídeo ver os melhores setup, mano, de um youtuber, que são dois youtubers que me inspiraram em fazer esse canal, em falar sobre o conteúdo do setup, mano. Sem mais papo, vamos para o vídeo.
Without further ado, Alexa, start the game room. So cool. So guys, welcome to what I'm calling that is the console area. So right here we have a giant 65-inch Samsung KS8500. So this TV has 4K HDR, all the bells and whistles that you come to expect. Now it's not OLED, that's back at the crib, but this one is actually a really nice TV. And I'm not a huge cable management guy, but I was able to get the cables hidden here, so it does have that with this Sonos speaker system that I have here. This is the play bar. So together they look like they're just mounted on the wall, like they're just floating, which is a really nice touch. But let's take a look at the TV stand that I've got here, since I've got quite a few things on it. So starting off from left to right, we've got the Amazon Echo Dot. Now this little thing is actually connected to these two speakers, and these are the JBL Pulse, and they're actually here with it. Even though I have a Sonos play bar and the sound system, if I'm playing games at night and I don't want to disturb anyone, I also have the Astro 850s. So if I'm late night gaming, I don't want to disturb anybody. And over here, of course, I have a Logitech Harmony. Now this is going to connect to a lot of the devices that I have here, so I don't have to have multiple remotes always reaching for another one. This kind of connects them all and just makes things a lot easier when I want to control everything at once. And down here, I've got this little guy. This is the Nest security camera. So with this, I use an Xbox. But check it out. Right here, I've got the PlayStation 4, and of course, I've got the VR headset. We've got some controllers. We've got a keyboard to use with it, and we've got a ton of cables since the VR headset needs so many. But over here, I have the best looking Xbox One, not counting the One S, and this is the Halo 5 edition. And I've got a couple of controllers here as well. The best looking controller for the Xbox One. This thing looks awesome and it works really well with the theme of the room. Of course, I got an Elite controller. If people want to come over and play, I've got all different options. Got that Smash Brothers controller over here. So, you know. But over here, we have all of the games. Now, I also have some Gundams. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Gundam and I build quite a few of them. So I've got them over here. I've got some Pokeballs because, you know, I live that anime life. But over here I got all the games, so whenever you want to play a game over here, you just grab one off the shelf. Now this is the Final Fantasy series. Over here we've got Final Fantasy VIII's main character Squall. Over here Final Fantasy X's Titus. And it just gives the room an awesome look. And down here is where you just kind of enjoy it all. This is the couch that I got picked this up from IKEA, and I've got some Philip Hue strips and system. These are the Sonos Play 1s, I believe. So when you're sitting down right in the middle, you're enjoying the really big screen. You've got the sound coming from the front and two sounds coming from the sides. So it gives you that surround sound feel. So it's really portable gaming section. So over here, you can see I've got a couple of portable systems. I've got some 3DSs, of course, with some Pokemon on it, because you got to. And some 3DS XLs, and even a PlayStation Vita, because the Vita has my heart, man. Just wish I had more games. But you sit down right in this chair. This is a special chair because it's got some built-in speakers here. So if you're playing and you want to enhance your portable gaming experience, you plug this in, throw that volume up, and you get an enhanced portable gaming experience, just so that you're not sitting here just playing it like this. You could play it anywhere like this, but with the speakers in the chair, adds a little more depth, makes it more enjoyable, and if a game has a good soundtrack, makes it even better. Now what's really awesome about this chair is that the speakers are right on the sides of your head, so you can really hear it, sounds great. And down here you've got some controls so that you can actually increase the bass, or you can increase the volume, however you want to do it. Now this is the X rocker. I'll of course have links to this, and so I'll peek over there, but just give me a second, we'll get to that. But over here we have my Gundam collection. This is something I've worked on forever. Each of these has taken countless hours, and over here we've got a giant one. This is a perfect grade. This one takes the time of like 3 of these easily. And you know, it's holding my special plaque for 100,000 subscribers. You know we're on the road to 1 million, so if you haven't subscribed yet and you're watching this, subscribe. But yeah, this is my collection that I've amassed over time. It's taken quite some time. These all take forever, and I just like the way this is showcased. Since this game room is all about the things I love, I had to get this inside of here, so it kind of just looks great. And this isn't the only one. I've actually got another one. They're all from Japan, collectibles, and I'm gonna be using as a cool little set whenever I have products, probably paste something over here. It's got this motorized desk, so I can move this up and down whenever I want. And you know, I can build this out however I want, throw whatever props up there, make it a nice little shooting space. And you know, I gotta have another poster over here so it's not bland. And we got Avatar Aang, the best avatar. That chorus stuff, we don't mess with that. This is the stuff right here. And over here, we've got this cool little lamp I got from Amazon. Looks pretty awesome. It's got a LifeX bulb inside of here, since the Philip Hughes bulbs don't change to this particular color. So I'm really trying to do the whole teal thing in here, and these bulbs were actually able to help me do that. All right, so I know you guys got a peek of this already, but this is the gaming PC. Now, I put a lot of effort into getting this whole situation hooked up, cable management, all that stuff. But this is it. This is the desk. This is the area. This is where I get my first real leap into gaming on a PC. Thanks to Main Gear, who hooked me up with this gaming PC right here, which I'm calling Flood. Now, you know teal is the main color of this room, white, teal, black. So I've got 3 ultra wide screens right here so that I can have a super immersive gaming experience. And I've also even got the Oculus Rift hooked up to this. So if you guys can see it here, this is the sensor, and I've got the Oculus. So like I said, this room has like all the aspects of gaming. A next desk, which is also a motorized desk. So even though this thing is hooked up and set up and wired up, I can use the desk to mount it. This is about the safe height over here so that I can still have my cables hidden pretty decently and not have everything rip and fall apart. So this looks pretty good, and it functions really well if I want to stand. So this is awesome. Over here, I have some Audio Engine A5s. So these are amazing. They've got some insane sound quality. They're very powerful. I've even got the subwoofer over here at the bottom, and they pack a punch. I'm afraid to even play it at max capacity because my neighbors are going to freak out, but it's amazing. And taking a look at the peripherals, I've got a SteelSeries K800 keyboard. So of course it's matching the theme here. And something I really like is that when you hit a button, it goes into orange, it turns into an orange key. So kind of those UAC colors, the teal, the orange, kind of gives a little ode to that. And I even have 2 mouses here. Now this is a bit unorthodox because I just can't pick one between the 2 of these. I've got the Logitech G900, which is a really awesome mouse. But I gotta say, I do like this SteelSeries mouse over here because it has a couple of awesome features, like having my logo right on the mouse. This is insane, folks. So this is a really awesome mouse, and it feels a lot more, and it's here to stay. Love it. I've even got my Sony Huron headphones. So there's probably so much green and teal going on over here that you can't even see it properly, but these go perfectly with it. As well as this chair. This is a Herman Miller chair. Huge shout out to Ari, who's recording this. She got me this for my birthday. So I was able to fit this into the room really nicely. Now I've got my favorite headphones over here, and I can use these whenever I want. But I also have this gaming headset because, come on, you gotta have a gaming headset for the PC. And these are the Logitech G933s. Now this is awesome because It has the RGB lights as well. But of course, I have it so that it matches with the room. So these headphones, these are awesome. These sound great. They're super comfortable. And these are what I'm rocking with this whole system. And just check this out, guys. Side by side with the flood system over here, they go perfectly. Little notification system thing right here called the Naughty. Now with this, when your phone goes off, if you get a missed call or get a text message or an app goes off, you can actually get a notification here. It changes color, and this actually matches with the room pretty well. If I'm playing a game and I'm like really immersed into it and I'm not paying attention, the blinking light can go off and let me know that, hey, there's some activity going on my phone. So that's an awesome little touch here. And check these out. We've got some panels to kind of give the desk some style, liven it up a bit. These are from Select Blinds. These are blinds that are motorized. There's a remote over there, so I can remotely do this. But yeah, I can completely control these blinds from afar. This is really, really cool. I love these. Kind of just makes having blinds a bit more futuristic. That's how it's gotta be over here at UAC HQ. And last but not least, I know you thought it was over, but I still got one more room to show you guys. Come check this out. This is just a closet, but it's an awesome closet. This is where I store all my headphones. I've got quite a few of them. You guys know I've been doing headphone videos for years now, and you know, they kind of rack up. Over here up top above them are the boxes for all of my Gundams. I'll give you guys a more in-depth video about everything in here. Check out those backpacks at the bottom. All tech backpacks, baby. If you guys want to see a more in-depth video about what's inside of there, let me know with a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, all that good stuff. And that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This is my ultimate gamer's paradise. All the tech that you could imagine, all the games that you could imagine. And I'm pretty proud of it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.